That's coming off. In. What? And pull down. And pull out. See? Pull in, pull out. And there is probably a screw right there. And the car running, which makes it easier. Let's get our batteries going. See why the car running makes it easier. Steering wheel's unlocked. Screw and another screw right there. So let's make sure that's how you get it off. And we have formed a crack. Now it's up. There you go. Now these, let's see. You come with, oh come on, you gotta undo this. So for you to remove this completely, you have to take this dash off, which I just showed you how to do. You gotta be kidding me. So you gotta take this back off to get these tabs out. Yeah, you do. Because getting them out, you might just rip them. Oh God, this is so stupid. So we had to go back in time to show you how to remove this door to get these tabs out. But you gotta get these two 10 mil / Phillips out to drop the fuel door, which is hidden up under here, because when I tried putting it back before, and here you go, you gotta pull this side off. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, look at this. It's just funny. Look at this. You got these three. I'm like, you have to take the dash off to get to those tabs. With something like this. You gotta be kidding me. I'm starting to not like Nissan nowadays. But why the overlap stupidness? Do you see? That comes out. And then you can put this guy back. And the top just, I guess, just pops right out. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so there we have it. Let's put it back, line it up, and say sayonara with like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.